21.5-inch FHD IPS display. Smooth viewing experience with 75Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync. A very clean and contemporary look with slim head design. Enjoy clear, stereo audio with the two built-in 3W speakers. Key details: 21.5-inch FHD 3-side near-edgeless display. Slim head and cloud grey color design. 2x3-watt speakers. Easily connect your computer to the monitor using the HDMI 1.4 and VGA input ports. Enjoy playing your favorite esports on the Lenovo L22i-40 monitor with its rapid 75Hz refresh rate. Support for AMD FreeSync guarantees the games you love run completely stutter-free. Fashion to stand out. The Lenovo L22i-40 monitor boasts a slim head design combined with a soft grey color, giving it a very clean, contemporary look. The monitor is paired with a sleek, stylish stand and a wave pattern base design that looks great anywhere you place it. Designed for viewing pleasure. See work and entertainment more clearly with the three-sided near-edgeless screen. Lenovo's L22i-40 monitor is equipped to handle color-critical work with its 99% sRGB coverage. Eye-caring. It also features natural low blue light technology with iSafe 2.0 certification and TV hardware low blue light, which ensure the monitor eliminates harmful blue light without any color distortion so your eyes don't feel any strain or fatigue while you work.